Hello everyone, I'm Shumaila from Experience Realty. Welcome to Palace Residences, where luxury, royalty and heritage converge to create a premium experience. As a part of Address Hotels and Resorts portfolio, an award-winning brand epitomizes Dubai's definition of luxurious, meticulously crafted hotels. With a legacy spanning over a decade, from Palace Downtown in 2007 to Palace Beach Resort Fujairah in 2017. Palace Dubai Creek Harbour to Palace Residences in Dubai Hills Estate continues this tradition of excellence. Situated in Dubai Hills Estate, a highly sought after community with comprehensive amenities and infrastructure. Palace Residences offers stunning views of Dubai Hills Estate Mall, Central Park and water ponds, enhancing the living experience. This self-sustained city, meticulously planned by Emaar, boasts 18-hole championship golf course, Dubai Hills Estate Mall, one of the largest community mall, business parks, 2 schools, hospitals and residences along with parks, creating a thriving urban environment. The first 5-star branded residential apartments in Dubai Hills Estate overlook the beautiful 1.2 kilometer long Central Park, offering outstanding views of Dubai Hills Estate Mall and the largest indoor roller coaster ride stop. With an elegant Address Hillcrest Villas nearby, residents can immerse themselves in luxury from every angle. Step into a world where luxury knows no bounds. With grand entrances, expansive 50-meter swimming pool, paddle and tennis courts, basketball facilities and sky terraces on the 16th, 18th and 19th floors. At Palace Residences, bespoke elegance fills every space, crafting an unmatched living experience. Let's discuss about the sizes and prices of this new project. 1-bedroom apartment starts from 1.76 million onwards with an average size of around 754 square feet, while 2-bedroom apartments starts from 2.6 million onwards with an average size of around 1181 square feet. For those seeking more space, our 3-bedroom apartments starts from 3.6 million onwards with an average size of around 1540 square feet. In this growing market, branded residences command a premium of 30% above than non-branded units, making Palace Residences an attractive investment opportunity. With Dubai Hills Estate witnessing remarkable growth, property value have increased by 35% over the past 3 to 4 years, highlighting its investment potential. Current rental yields in Dubai Hills Estate are lucrative, with branded units commanding a 20% premium over regular apartments. To secure your unit in this luxurious launch, contact us now to begin the booking process. Thank you so much for watching this today. My name is Shumaila, signing off.